Write the poem Snowball. Write poem Snowball in your copy. Write the poem Snowball with poet name. Monojit, write down the poem Snowball. Isha, you joined just now. Your classwork is write down the poem Snowball. 1 minute.
Ma'am, I am not learn it properly. I can write.
Why you cannot
Yeah.
write?
Sorry, ma'am.
No, don't be sorry. You have to write. No excuses will be applicable. After a long time, I'm giving you this classwork. We have completed our syllabus. So now, from today, each and every day, anything I can give you as classwork. So you have to prepare yourself from your side. Till now, it's not prepared. Why, Isha? Not expected from you. Okay, Isha, in the poem, there are two stanzas. First, read one stanza, write it down, and then learn another one, and then I'll write it down. Okay?
Ma'am, I can do it now.
Okay. You cannot do this.
Give me some time.
Take your time
In
and
this,
do fast. Yesterday
okay,
I
ma'am.
said that today I'll give you right. You need to prepare, you need to practice. Start writing. Devarpon, don't write it down from book. Those who are writing it from the book, their copy will not be checked. Let me clear. Those who are writing the poem from book, their copy will not be checked. Mahir, where are you? Close your book. If you can write it by yourself, then only write it. Otherwise, you can leave the class. If you can write it by yourself, write it down. Sufyan, you are also writing this from your book. Don't do this. Ma'am can understand. Mahir, where are you, Mahir? Mahir, you are not there in the class. Shruti, where are you? Looking. Write it by yourself. And don't raise your hand. If you have completed, sit quietly, but don't raise your hand, especially for Upama Vedasrita. All time you busy to raise your hand. Don't do this. If you have completed, sit quietly. Okay? Those who will complete fast, they can draw a snowman also. Okay? But don't raise your hand. After a certain time, I will start checking. What happened, Shubro? I said to wait. Shreyan Sanchari, wait. Shruti, don't talk in the class. Do your classwork first. Shreyan Sanchari, I can see that why you are doing this. Sit quietly. If you have completed your classwork, put a finger on your mouth and sit quietly. Why are you fighting with each other? All time you fight with each other. Why? If you do like this, do the class separately. Do class separately. Or if you want to continue your class, you have to sit quietly. Each and every day you do this. Each and every day, I have noticed. Why? Sit silently and put a finger on your mouth. Did I say that drop your hand? Did I say that raise your hand? If you have completed, sit quietly. No need to raise your hand. What happened, Chanchari?
ম্যাম শ্রেয়ান আমার লেখা কেটে দিচ্ছে
Acha, let me give one punishment. Shreyan, get out from the class. Today you will not be allowed further. Go. Get out from the class.
কেটে দিচ্ছে
Only Shanchari will do the class. Go. You will not
আর
get.
আমাকে
Shreyan will mark absent for today. This is your punishment. And don't request me that ma'am give me attendance. For today, Shreyan is absent. This is final. Today, Shreyan is absent in my class. This is final. Vedasrita, very nice it is. Acha. Poshita completed. Acha. Very good, Poshita. Right, CW. Okay, very, very good. Devarpan, where is your uniform? Not yet collected. No. Try to collect your uniform. You will look better. Obhinava Shaurjo, where are you? Acha. Sufyan, prepare the poem. This is in this way. If you write, I will not check your copy. I can understand you are writing from your book. I can understand. Don't do this. Don't do this. Acha, those who have completed now they can show me their copy. Those who have completed. Oishani Audrija, are you writing or not? No. Mariam. Okay, very good, Mariam. Afrin. Don't copy from the book. Don't copy from the book. Why are you doing this? Very good, Bedasrita. Acha, Cap Malik. Completed. Very good. Acha, Cap Malik, unmute your device. Cap Malik, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Shubhro. Acha, close your copy. Very good, Shubhro. Very good, Jishan. Close your copy. And close your book. Close your book and copy both. Okay. Now look at the camera and tell me the poem Snowball. Very good, Jishan, Ognidipta, Panchari. Cap Malik, tell me the poem. What happened, Cap Malik? You have completed, so tell me the poem. What happened? What happened? I want to know. You said that, ma'am, I have completed. So if you have completed, tell me the poem. Tell me whatever you have written. Just tell me what you have written. Very, very bad. Don't repeat it from the next time. Repeatedly, I'm saying that don't copy the answer from book. Don't copy the answer from book. Why are you doing this? Isha informed me that, ma'am, I not yet prepared the poem, and I said I advised him, okay, prepare it and then you can write. Did I say that you can copy from your book? Did I say? No. This is called cheating. Don't do it. Very, very bad, Kav. If anyone is there who is just like Kav, next time they will remove from my class. If you can tell me the poem without showing your book, then only tell me. Acha. Moulisha, unmute your device. Tell me the poem, Snowball. Oh my God, you don't know. Snowball. I've given us class was Snowball, the poem. Completed.
Oh, ma'am.
Not completed.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, start writing. Do fast. Achha. I know. Shubhro, Upoma, they can tell me. That I know. Acha. Oishani Adrija, unmute your device. Moulisha, start writing. Oishani, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the poem.
I made myself a snowball as perfect as could be. I did keep it as fate. And legs, I sleep pajama.
Pajamas.
With me. I made it some pajama and a pillow for its head. Then last night. Then last night I eat.
Need more preparation. Need more practice. Good. But it is good, but I cannot tell you very good because you need more practice. Okay, you need to say fluently. Very, very good. Again, tomorrow we'll ask you. Let me see. Mohpoli, close your book and copy. Mohpoli, close your book and copy.
Yes, ma'am.
Close your book and copy both. Close it properly, Mohpoli.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it closed? Show me your book. Let me check. Is it really closed or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Close your book properly. Do fast. You are taking too much time. Yes, very good. Now look at the camera. Now tell me the poem. Tell me the poem. দেখেছো তো ম্যাম ঠিক বুঝতে পারে কারা কারা দেখে দেখে লিখছে very very bad Mohpoli, very bad. I know that you are writing from book, and after that you will raise your hand and then tell me that ma'am I have completed, but I know it's not completed. Not expected, Mopoli. You are very good student. Why you are doing this? This is called cheating. This is absolutely called cheating. Don't do this.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, you should be. You should be. Because I know you are a very good student. Why you are doing this? Today I'm giving you one homework. Within today, prepare this poem. We'll ask you tomorrow again. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Also, Sufyan, you are also advised to prepare the poem because I also know that Sufyan was also copying it. Don't do this. And for Upama, I can say Upama, Tabasum, Shruti, they can tell me, Shubhro, as I asked them before. That I know. Shubham also. Let me check, Adrita. Okay, very good, everyone. Keep it down. Let me check who are really studying and who are not. Adrita, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the poem. Okay, Upama, very good. Keep it down. Tell me the poem, Adrita.
I
Very
made
good, Tabassum.
myself a snowball. As good, as perfect as could be. I thought I'd keep it pet. Let us it sleep with it.
Indra Pandit, this is not a brush.
made
It is pencil.
I made some pajamas and pillow for its head. Then last night it ran away. First it wet the bed.
Okay, very good. Very good. This is the condition that most of you not yet prepared this poem. Isha, unmute your device. Prepare now.
Yes, ma'am, learn it. I am learning.
You have learned it. Can you tell me first stanza?
Yes, ma'am.
Say.
I made myself a snowball as perfect as could be. I thought I did keep it as a pet and let it sleep with me. I made some pajamas and a pillow for its head. Then last night ran away. The first it wet the bed.
Okay. Very, very good.
Ma'am,
Very good.
write down
Okay.
my copy.
Okay, everyone, show me your copy. The remaining student will be asked by me, just like Devarpon Ashif, Mopoli, Riddhima, Kab Malik, Shreyan Shanchari, and Shubham. This student, especially this student, will be asked by me tomorrow. Okay, because now 35 students and half of the student already asked by me, so I know you can tell me. But I have doubt about this student. Very good, Riddhima, Vedasrita. Very good, Shorish. Very good, Shubhro, Ankit, Obhinava Shaurjo. I don't know where he is going. Very good, Rithan, Tabasum. Avrita, Ashif, very good. But tomorrow we'll ask you this poem. Also, Moulisha, Sufyan also. Sufyan, within today, learn the poem. Mahir, Mubasir, Indrayut, Joel. We'll ask you tomorrow. Okay, Ankit, Sufyan. Okay, Shruti, very good. Okay, very good, Isha. Very good, Shubham. So, what I say, that completing classwork it only is not important. At the same time, it is also important to speak loudly, read it loudly, deliver whatever you have written, delivering fluently. This is also very important. Very good, Vedasrita. Very nice it is. Shanchari, drop your hand. What I said, again ask you tomorrow. Not today. Okay? Chalo, bye-bye. Today. Tata. Mopoli, no Popoli. I'll not check your copy until and unless you will prepare the poem. Today you copied it from book that I know, but you failed to tell me. Okay? Without book, without copy, you have to tell me tomorrow. Otherwise, I'll not talk to you. This is your punishment. Okay? Chalo, bye-bye.